Hey guys, so we have Dagama Airdrop, a very quick one on Arbitrum wallet. They have reasonable funding, like strong community backup. The project is making sense actually. So let's just go right into it. You see, connect your Arbitrum wallet, complete tasks, get with listed. They are listing very soon. Like the TG is closer. So just as soon as you are seeing this video, get right into it and secure your spot. So I'm gonna click on login with Ethereum because I'm just signing up. I'm just registering as well. So I'll just proceed here. So you see, connecting to Arbitrum One network. So I've just signed up, and here is it. So immediately you sign up, you earn the 15 SP. Check the registration link in the description box of this video. So here we have you play with drop your airdrop dashboard, and here is it. Here's what I've made so far. So I'll just go to my task now and complete the social task. So you are seeing basic tasks. Your wallet address. To join the airdrop competition, you must sign transaction in Dagama mobile app using the same wallet address linked to your airdrop. Learn how to sign it. Okay, please note our algorithms and community closely review the quality and all of that. So yeah, I'm gonna install this app. You can see install the Dagama app either on Play Store or App Store. So I'll go to my device and download the app. Enter the referral code from your profile. So yeah, after you must have installed your app, when signing into the app, come to this your profile to get your referral code and use it to sign up sign in on the app. Hope you understand. So for my own, let me click on my own and see. This is the referral code. After you, first of all, step 1, use the link to sign up from the on the website. After you must have signed up on the website, then come to my tags here and download the app, or you download the app by just searching from either Play Store or App Store. So if you come to this referral, you should be able to see your referral code. I want to check. Okay, I want to check. Okay, so to get your referral code, just come to this referral, and this is your referral code. So this is what you are linking on the app. You link your own personal referral code with your app after signing up from the website. You are linking your own personal referral code on the app after signing up on the website. So first thing, sign up on the website, download the app, come to this under task referral, copy your referral code and link it to the app so that they can know that you are, it's the same account. Then additional tasks, you see follow X require your YouTube channel address. If you have a YouTube channel, you can add the address here. If you don't, just leave it. Then follow X account. Sorry, follow Telegram. Then enter your email. So these are the tasks you have to complete with this airdrop. You have to do daily check-in. You see, enter the referral code from your profile. Be careful to use OK. If I paste in the referral code here now, I will be able to check. No valid referral code. Be careful and use the only OK. I copy this on my profile. So okay, let me just download the app so I can confirm this. From the app, I found out that you have to log in using your email and referral code. So I'll first of all enter my email here before entry referral code so that you can be able to log into the app. So guys, I think we have to scrap that part that I mentioned. You have to enter the referral code from this place. So on the app, I was unable to enter, so I had to log in using Google. So I selected the Google option to log in. So after logging in using Google, I went to my profile, then scroll down to referral code. That's where I was able to see this particular referral code. So you guys should take note. You are not using the referral code from this referral page here. You are using the, let me confirm first. Let me enter the referral code here. So this particular one I'm entering is from the app. I'm still getting, okay. I think I made a mistake with this. Okay, you see it has been accepted. So that is how to do that part of the referral code. After you must have downloaded the app, select the Google login option. Then go to your profile, scroll down to referral code, and you can confirm it from this task. So that's how to get the referral code. It's not from here. I think the referral this thing is not here. It's not this one. This one is for signing up on this website. The one on the app, I think, is different from here. Not even I think. The one on the app is different from the one we have here. So I've done that about this referral code. Then here, if you have a YouTube, you post it on YouTube. Then follow Telegram account. I'll just follow, and you can see I follow them on X. So if you don't have a YouTube account, make sure you write a post on them, about anything concerning that project, and copy the post link and submit it here. Do you understand? If you have I believe everyone has an X account, then just tweet anything about them and tag them on Twitter at Dagama World. Once you follow them on X, you'll be able to see their Twitter handle. Tag them on Twitter, write anything about their project, copy the post link, and share here. You'll see this send to moderation. Copy the post link, paste it here, and send and click on this send to moderation. So I can just go ahead after concluding this video and use the video to tag them on X and submit the post here. So you can do the X tagging. That's how to complete this. For YouTube, this is optional, only for those content creator that has a YouTube channel. If you don't have a YouTube channel, you can skip this part and just do the X account. Then for this testnet, I'm seeing Dagama app installed and referral code apply. I've done this. So let me see if they've added it to my available balance. Okay, I think it has been added. That 150 SP. So let me come here. Testnet wait list. No, I've not seen it. So this one is okay. Let me go back. Alright, installed the app and entered the referral code. I've done this and I've been given the 150 SP. So the referral code I copied from the app that I entered here, that is what they are talking about, and it has automatically given me the testnet 150 SP as well. So for this X, as I mentioned earlier, write any post about them on X, copy the link and paste it here. You can as well share your referral link from here to sign up. Anyone that is signing up on the on this page here will be using this link to sign up. So I'll drop this link in the description box of this video, so you can use this link to sign up. Then download the app, use your Google Mail, select the Google login option, then go to your app, your profile on the app, enter the referral code from the app here, so that you can get that. So let me just click on this follow account and all. So I think this is how to complete this Dagama airdrop task. to be eligible for the airdrop reward. And also from the app, there is a part where you can check in a location and you earn XP as well. So go to the app. From this location check-in plus sign, you'll be able to log in from the location check-in plus sign and check in using check in any location, and you also get XP doing the check-in. So navigate on the app, you see other tasks to do, just like doing check-in every day. So I think that is all about the app, the airdrop about this Dagama. You should stay tuned for subsequent updates. The reward, remember I said the TG is very close, so stay tuned for subsequent updates. Like and share this video. Check the registration link in the description box of this video. See you guys on the next one.